Yo, what's good? So today is Friday. Today's Good Friday. I didn't know it was Good Friday. And the markets are closed, so we're not going to take anything or do anything today. Yeah, it's closed. I saw it. I was like, dang, why isn't it moving, bro? I want to go make coffee. Came back and then I looked it up, and then I saw. I guess it was Good Friday. But I'm gonna go over my trades, or not my trades, but I'm gonna go over my week, right? And then you can see just how I journal and stuff and how I use TradeZella. This has all my stuff, right? I'm gonna show you what I do, right? So started my day. I opened templates. I have 3 templates I made. The week trading review. I'm gonna do that. I do that on Saturdays. Um, and this is my day. So I do this stuff right early. I haven't I haven't really done anything of this yet. Just sat down and kind of saw why isn't the market moving? What the fuck? I actually did this on Grok. Grok AI helped me out with this, and I added this one as well. It's called Mindset Mastery Daily Checklist. Has some of the same stuff, a little bit, but it's more just mindset. Did I overtrade, FOMO, all that stuff, but it took me a little while. It was a little different. I added this multi-time frame check, and I added this the visualizing winning. I had a plays and stuff, like say, get in at 5 3 3 2, or get in at, stop at 5 3 3 3 and take profit at 5 3 2 4. But I wasn't really using that, and I wouldn't really like catch those plays. So for me, my style is being actually on the chart and seeing, okay, it's making higher highs. Like, okay, it bounced here, higher high, even though it's the wick, all right. But okay, higher lows, higher highs, and then here, market close. This week was more my style, like two trades, 3 trades. But this week was real fearful week, and I wasn't letting my trades rock. I was thinking about the green streak, right? I took another trade kind of later in the day, and that one was cool. I opened the chart and I saw. I was like, oh, okay, I know this pattern. It was like a resistance bounce. I got in and boom, you know, this was it. Yesterday, you probably saw. So I was seeing this on the footprint charts. We can go over that one. That'd be pretty cool. It was around 12:59. So 12:59. So yeah, okay, I saw here. I opened the chart just to fuck around, and I saw this. I saw sellers sell, buyers come in. I wasn't really watching the footprint chart. I just opened up Trade Locker real quick, and this just stood out. Higher highs, higher highs, but it wasn't pushing. And look, as you see, a delta divergent was here. It ate up some of this stacked imbalances for shorts. So I figured, let me just get in. So the entry was pretty cool. I got in at, let's see, yeah, right at 12:51. It was a 2.45 trade. So 12:59. I got in at 5/3/1850. Here's a CFD. This is a CFD, so the price is 30 points off. Got in here and exited at 13.18. I just let it rock. 13.18. Around here. I got out right here. Comes up. This was a cool little move. It was only a $250 risk. And I made 400. I made 546. So it says 2.45 R. Was it 500? Was it $200 risk? I don't know. But it says 2.45 R. It's fucking weird because the numbers don't add up. But that's where I got in and out. It was pretty good. It was a good trade. I saw the sellers hold, strong candle. Boom, came up. Saw this large volume indicator, another large volume indicator. Watch, let me show you this real quick. So this is the asking the bid. So large volume indicators, right? See this, the 27 and the 71. Right here, look, 70, 177, 65, 200. Look at all these. But I don't really go off of this too much, but I notice I'm like, okay, there's action going. I don't know if it's gonna go up or down or with this, because look, if this is gonna go down, it's boom. But look at all these little bubbles. So I just kind of take it with a grain of salt. And then once I saw that, I saw this, and I let the play just run. So that was pretty cool. Came down 13.18 to here. It hit. I'd say the price was 5298. So I think I got out here, around here, 5328. Because it's a 30-point difference. Sometimes it's 30, sometimes it's 40. It's weird. Probably volatility or the movement. But I got out here, I saw. Well, actually, I didn't see. I was going to move um, the price lower. But I said, nah, I'm not greedy. 2.5 was cool. 2.5 was cool. I wonder why it said 2.5 and it just gave me 5 something. It's weird, right? But I'm gonna pull up even my trade locker, and that's what it says. See, 2.5. I had my stop here. I had my entry here. I had my take profit there. So it's weird. Let's see. See, 548 amount. So see, I put that. I put the risk, and then I put 250. 250 with a pending. I put 250 here. Put my pending here, and then take profit. Take profit here. Yeah, it was like 580, but with fees and all that, it came out to 248 or 260. Let me see. Order history. Yeah, oh no, 248. Where's the $30? Whatever. So that's how you put a trade. It took me a while too to learn this, to just put risk. If you see this is 8 points, right? 19 points. Target. 8 points and 19 points. I was gonna move it to here, I remember. And it did hit. But it came up. It would have got me out. Then it went down. That would have been cool. But that wasn't the play. Right. I was seeing this too. See how it like tapped here, came down. Wasn't gonna go here. I was like, okay, fuck it, target that area. That was cool right there. Look at that candle. Easy. For the week, I'm up 1.32K. And I don't think I'm gonna take a trade. I could take a trade today with this, but I don't think the market's not open. So, but thanks for listening, and I will be back probably tomorrow. I'll do like an update of like the chart, and or Monday, depending on what the market does, But thanks for listening, and make sure you practice the basics and study the basics. So I'm gonna show you the YouTube channel that got me really, that helped me out with the break of structure. With the break of structure, it's this one right here. Boot Camp Day 6 Break of Structure by TJR. You know, I don't have any of his courses or anything like that. That was funny, bro. Anyways, yeah, thanks for watching and talk to you guys soon. Peace. Have a good weekend and happy Good Friday. Peace.